Hello, welcome back to my channel, and I am back with another piece for my Art with an Unusual Medium series. And today I'm going to be showing you a technique that uses light trace, which if you remember from the first video is a lot like eggnog. And as always, my soaps will be available at my Etsy shop, which will be linked in the description. All right, here's the final result of the soap, and the top looks absolutely beautiful. I love how this came out with the texture and everything. Near the very end, it started to get thick, so it kind of left trails in the top like that. Unfortunately, this particular batch turned out to be too soft. I waited about a week before I tried to unmold it, and it just did not want to release from the mold, and like the bottom was just completely soft, and you could see there I tried to make it into kind of some shape, but it just didn't work out. So I tried to cut it, and cutting it was like trying to cut really kind of hard pudding. But you can see for sure that in the pot swirl there, it's like delicate swirls are kind of random, and it kind of looks like it what I had meant for it to look like, but it's just that since the bars were so soft, they didn't really hold their structure. So these are the kinds of things that you will run into when you make soap, and sometimes there's no explanation as to why this happens. Sometimes you can kind of make an educated guess, like maybe I had too much oil, too much water, whatever it may be. But this is the sort of thing that happens. And with that being said, next time I will show you the rebatching process, which is another way of making soap that it's kind of salvaging a batch that has gone wonky, kind of like this one here. At any rate, if you're interested in subscribing to my channel, just click on my portrait on the right. And if you would like to know when I post, just click on the bell to receive the notification. And as always, all my soaps are for sale at my Etsy site linked in the description. And I will see you next time for another Artistic Wednesday. Bye!